this channel for motorcycle enthusiasts. I hope you like it, and don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell to be updated on this channel. Thank you. Motojansky. NMAX 155 specifications. Viva Varlable valve actuation. This system adjusts the fuel intake at a certain RPM. It allows strong torque at low speeds and power at high speeds. It contributes to linear acceleration characteristics and a pleasing feeling when accelerating. Multifunction big luggage. The storage is big enough to fit an XL full-face helmet with a 23.3 L capacity. The hinge that opens and closes the seat has 2 springs, so that after unlocking via an easy to-access button, the seat opens slowly and naturally. It can also stay open by itself, making it simple to put in or take out items. There are also 2 helmet hangers on the outside part of the trunk liner that add even more convenience. Hazard lamp. These flashing indicator lights equipped for riders to warn other motorists during peculiar situations. 7.1 L fuel tank. The tank is conveniently located inside the center tunnel and can be opened via a button press with refueling. Done without needing to open the seat. Electric power socket. The power socket is located on the left-hand pocket within easy reach of the rider for charging digital accessories. The right side storage pocket comes with a waterproof lid and fits a 7/8-inch smartphone or tablet. There is the possibility of stored items coming out while riding. Dual channel ABS. For effective stopping performance, the new NMAX is equipped with a 230mm front and rear disc that comes with ABS as a standard for smooth braking in varying conditions. Handlebar switch control. A convenient lever-style switch on the left handlebar cycles through displayed data. LED headlight and taillight. The new NMAX adopts a 6-bulb LED headlight design. 4 lights on the top row are for low beam, the 2 lights below for high beam. The rear stylish tail light shows off the Max Series D and with a unique 3-dimensional design. Refined 155cc blue core engine. A liquid-cooled, 4-stroke soaked, 155cc, single-cylinder, 4-valve fuel-injected engine with CVT and VVOC. The Bore X stroke delivers excellent power and torque characteristics. A new cylinder head and a compact combustion chamber achieves a higher compression ratio that boosts combustion efficiency. It also optimizes the coolant pathway to improve reliability. Smart key system. If the rider has the smart key on the machine detects it and allows starting the motorcycle with the main switch knob without needing to insert the key itself. ABS versions exclusive. Traction control system. This electronic system prevents the rear tire from losing traction when the sensors detect any slip. An advancement that keeps you safe and confident on non-firm surfaces. Stop and start system. This system automatically shuts off the engine when the machine is stopped or idling at traffic lights to reduce wasted gasoline, which contributes to excellent fuel economy. Multifunction full digital speedometer. It is equipped with the multifunction full digital speedometer. for bigger and easy to read LCD instruments that include a bar-type fuel gauge, speedometer, clock and fuel economy data, and also displays Y Connect notifications when successfully paired. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and God bless.